Hi everyone, it's RyOS Tech Reviewer, also known as Ryan or Spin the Wee Dog, but also Snapdragon Insider. I'm here today to do an unboxing of the Noble Falcon ANCs. These were sent to me from Snapdragon, from Qualcomm in San Diego. I won these from a competition I had from Twitter Space, where they done an event talking about Snapdragon sounds and their partnerships, and also the staff members who were involved with Snapdragon sounds and its development. And these particular headphones are actually got, I'll show you there, Snapdragon sound built inside. So before I open the box, I'll just give you a description what are the features of this device, because there seems to be quite a lot of them. So we've got Snapdragon sound, we've got or Qualcomm Snapdragon sound, we've got Qualcomm True Wireless Mirroring technology, we've got wireless charging, hear-through, in-ear detection, what's that, ATX adaptive, I think that's 96 kilohertz or 24-bit supported sound, so that's really good. We've also got some Qualcomm voice for telephone calls. So there's kind of supported sound quality on when you're receiving calls on the microphone. Active noise cancelling, voice assist, Siri or Google. What's that? Easy button control, volume up and down, function track up and down, auto on and off for pairing. We've got low latency playback as well, so that will be kind of in regards to gaming, I would imagine. And we've also got some, we've got 10mm dual layered titanium dynamic drivers. So that's the first time I've ever seen titanium on a pair of wireless headphones. So when I hear titanium, I think quality. These retail for about £190 in the UK. So what I'm going to do today is just open the box, see what's inside, and then I'm going to do like a little review in regards to the sound using Amazon Music. And if you're not a Snapdragon insider, check out the link for Snapdragon down below onto their Twitter page. And you'll see a link to become a Snapdragon Insider. If you sign up to it, you'll actually get a redemption codes to get Amazon Sound for 4 months free of charge on a subscription. It'll need to be a new account if you have subscribed before. If you hadn't subscribed, you'll be able to do it. But yeah, let's get to it. So let's open the seal and see what's inside, because you probably had enough of listening to me by now. There we go. So I'll just put this to the side. It's kind of like a phone case, really. Okay, so what have we got here? So Noble Falcons, ANCs. So it's got guides here. It's also got Japanese as well up here too. Looks like Japanese to me. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's Japanese altogether, that one. So that's a Japanese manual there. Pity I can't read it. Then you've got the English quick starter guide here. It shows all the attachments and everything that comes in the boxes. There's loads of options here. And okay, I'll try pull this out before I pull out the headphones first. Let me see. So that's quite a substantial box. Let's have a look inside. Oh, comes with a wee felt case. Stop it from getting scratched. That's a nice touch, because you don't get that a lot with these Bluetooth-based earbuds and boxes they come with. And I've had ones that have been really scratched before, so nice touch. So what we got in here? We've got the, let me see, micro, or no, it's a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. Kind of basic quality, I think, to be honest with you. Not really much there. Guess these are all the tiny little earbuds. And these are more adapters for the earbuds as well. I might as well just open these ones to show you, because the other ones are just normal kind of mushroom style size ones for different size of inner ear. Yeah, so these just go around. Yeah, it's just the wee buds and these parts here to go around these here. So it sits in your ear nicely, but I'm going to put them back in the box. All back in there, so I don't lose anything. So let me show you the earphones now. Let's have a look. So there's the little box it goes into. Quite a nice little design. Let me see how it opens. Yep. Looks very nice. You got a reset button in there, not on the outside. That's quite a good thing, to be honest, Jay, because I think if you press that when it's in your pocket, it can be a bit annoying. So it's good it's in the inside. I'll put that back in there. And let's have a look at the earphones. So yeah, they look really, really sturdy. I wasn't sure about the design of them, but they feel great in the hand, I must say. I'm going to try put them into my ear. I'll put one in, see what it's like. Yeah, they're quite comfortable, actually. I'm sure it's going to be, they'll probably be a lot better once I put the wee rubber gaskets along here to make it fit into your ear more substantially so they don't fall out, especially if you're doing exercise. But yeah, so there you have it. Let me know what you think of them. I think they're pretty cool. I think it's amazing. I'm looking forward to try out the sound quality more than anything else, because, you know, that's what the Snapdragon sound experience is all about. And I will let you know exactly what I think of that sound quality very shortly, in the next coming days. But there you have it. It's been a quick unboxing of the Noble Falcon ANCs. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.